2024 Ford Mustang key fob battery replacement. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here that we're going to push, and we can pull out the emergency key. It just slides right out like this. I'm going to turn it over on the bottom. Use a small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to remove this panel right here. There's a little slot right here. We're going to put the screwdriver in like this. I'm just going to pry it up. All right. I can go around, just take this back panel off, okay? So here's our battery, and it's held in with these little feet right here, and we're going to need to use this little slot right here to pry the battery out and work it out. We can pull it out. I'll show you what size the battery is. It's going to be a, if it pops up, CR2450 battery with a positive sign facing towards us. Goes in the right side first and then locks in like that. If you need one of these batteries, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can pick one up from Amazon. They're nice and cheap there, so check that out. You just get the back cover. We put the top in first and then snap it down, and then get the emergency key, put it back in, and if it goes in and locks in, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.